Hey, it's Rebecca at Design and Adorn. I just want to give you a quick sneak peek of some of the pendants that we'll be featuring in the Forged in Fire necklace kits that are launching Friday evening. So this is the necklace, Forged in Fire. So you have a raku pendant in the front, and then you're going to have kumihimo braids with a beautiful faded ombre off of here. And for every kit, you're going to have a different pendant. And this is going to be the hard part for you, is choosing which pendant. Look at these. These are incredible. So some of them are 3D, like the ones on this tray. Just look at that. Oh, these are so cool. Pile of end caps. So right now I'm sorting them out into color groups so that I can pull the seed beads that are gonna go with these. Just like, check that out. Like, look how it like shifts and catches the light. So anyway, lots of gorgeous pendants. These are gonna go live on Friday night. That's November 10th. Happy beading.